Hi friend, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I have cosmetic mockup these files in 5.88 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it for you. You can download easily. So first I show you these are background PSD file. You can adjust your any product, and here is atom. First file is 891 MB, second is 1.25 GB, and here is 1.04 GB. All files are high definition, you can use one by one, and these files are Photoshop CC or any latest version. First I show you reading Photoshop because this file is large, so kindly wait. And this file is protected. Kindly full watch for password in video 100%. And you see here in layer area, one by one everything is here: jar, cream bottle, open jar, small tube, small dispenser, tube, cream dispenser, etc. bottle. You can change one by one, and you can change any color, you can adjust your logo or your color. For example, you see here this color, and I will change here. Double click here, you can see cap color. Double click here. Oh sorry, you can see, you can adjust your own choice. I just tell you, for example, these are front view atom, and no, second is isometric view atoms. Same file that says view changed. Open this, I show you. No, you can change everything. You can see the resolution of this file. Okay, I close this. Top view atoms, preview. You can adjust one by one. You can drag and drop easily. Wow. And ready-made scenes, front scene, you can see. Wow, you can change everything. You can write your own logos or product. Wow. And also scenes, you can see. Wow. And top view. So I drag this file on Photoshop CC, drag here, and you can see here every layers have a folder or have a group. You can extract and then you can change. Light, this is background 1 2, and you can change more background color. Highlight, unlock layer here, double click, and click on gradient overlay. You can apply. Okay, and here is jar. Extract this your design here, double click here. For example, I write my channel name Sheri SK, for example. Press Alt backspace, then select back color on here, Sheri SK. Color font is white, black here, and then size is 18 or okay. Enter here, right click, create clipping mask, and then you can adjust your own logo, own product name. It is I just use just for example Control S for saving, and you see here your product or logo in jar bottom. Wow, you can adjust more deeply. I tell you just for example. I know you can do better. Here is one by one, you can change everything. And last, I drag this file. First I change this color, bottle, cop color. So click here. You can see here the color. Wow. And cap color like this, or blue, red, etc. if you like. Kindly subscribe my channel. I hope this data is useful for you. You take care. Allah Hafiz.